from mystery this mutiny at sea.
Yeah, everybody wave goodbye to the beautiful people on the dock. And wave goodbye to Ryan. He has feelings too. I'm kidding, no he doesn't. Welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise, folks. My name is Eddie. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. Now, for a safe trip, make sure to stay seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. We begin our journey here, in the rainforest, where it rains 485 days of the year. That's almost every day. Although if you didn't catch that, you might have missed it. Over here on the right-hand side, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. That's where famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is searching for one of the world's greatest treasures. Now, the reason it's called the Temple of the Forbidden Eye is because the Temple of the Forbidden Me is terrible grammar. Now, folks, we're going to be entering an ancient Cambodian shrine, no doubt built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Whoa! And on the left-hand side, we have a 500-pound in-the-know Chinese tiger. Those tigers, they can jump over 25 feet, but don't worry, we're only 15 feet away. They'll jump right over our heads. Just like my jokes. Also on the left-hand side, we have Ginger. Careful though, Ginger snaps! I know, she's one tough cookie. I'm sorry, folks, that was crummy. But I'm going to milk it for all it's worth. Now we're going to be entering the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants. Now feel free to take as many pictures as you'd like. They all have their trunks on. Now did you know that most elephants can grow up to 4 feet, while most humans can only grow 2? That elephant in the waterfall, that's Bertha. Now Bertha has been in that waterfall for a very long time. You can tell because of all the wrinkles. Yeah, looks like she needs to see a pachydermatologist. Uh-oh, what are you doing out here? Oh, hey, no, down, squirt, hey, down, squirt, down. Sorry about that. Squirt likes to squirt the boats, and he's coming up the water. Everybody in the back, get down. I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. A little dry humor for you. Now, just ahead. Folks, this looks dangerous. Let's get closer. In the jungle. Oh, no, this is terrible. And look what they did to that car. They left the lights on. Man, we better get out of here. On the left-hand side, we have some native bamboo. Now, bamboo can grow up to 5 stories tall. Some people will tell you 6, but that's another story. Just ahead of the boat, we have beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Now, they say more water goes over Schweitzer Falls in a single minute than a man can drink in his entire lifetime. I don't know about you, but I find that pretty hard to swallow. Now, we just turned down the Nile River because it was way too loud. On the left-hand side, oh my goodness gracious, folks, on the left-hand side of the boat, we have an African bull elephant. Oh, and on the right-hand side, we have its faithful mate just across the way. Looks like that elephant is trying to get across to this elephant. Does anybody know how to make an elephant float? Lots of ice cream. Now just ahead of the African belt with a hair. There's usually a plethora of animals out here. Let's see what we got out today. Looks like we got ourselves some gazelles, giraffes, canoes, gazebras, lions, vultures. Oh, and would you look at that? Probably a 6-year rock is ready. And it's really hard to divvy up a zebra because they got light mane, dark mane, light mane, dark mane, light mane, dark mane, light mane, dark mane. Oh, wow. That is amazing, isn't it? Guess we're in the tree at no lake. Today it is 20. Now, folks, I gotta tell you, I am not entirely sure where we wound up here. I think we're supposed to take a left at the falls. Whoa! Everybody remain cool. We are now entering a pool full of dangerous hippopotami. Now, just last week, they sank 6 of our boats. Don't worry. Only 5 are mine. At least they seem quite calm. Not this one. This one is going to charge the boat. Luckily, we only accept cash. Now, buddy, come here. They're going to try and scare them off. Can you believe leave that acting one way and then a completely opposite way. What about that info, Chris? I wonder what happened to the front half of that boat. Oh, great. Just as I suspected, ran ashore and taken over by a family of chimpanzees. I hate it when I'm right. Hey, looks like the one on top of the boat is trying to make contact. Let's see here. Mekong. Mekong. I know this. Me skipper. That's not so hard. Some people say my job is so easy a monkey could do it. Those are apes. Oh, well, looks like we just found the cargo of insects. I don't know, folks. Butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. And now, folks, it's time for the moment that you've all been waiting for. It is the glorious, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world. For everyone's enjoyment, we have for you the backside of water. Don't try that at home. You don't want to hit your head on the faucet. So that's not it. Now folks, you're in for a real treat. We have just reached the Amazon River Basin. Now, I was just having lunch with Alberta Falls, owner of the Jungle Navigation Company. She was telling me this is a great fishing spot. All you gotta do here is toss your line in, say the name of the fish that you want. For instance, gosh, I don't know, piranha, and then all of a sudden they leap out of, oh my gosh! We gotta get out of here! They're surrounded by hungry piranha! And how they swam all the way from Hungary, I'll never know. Just ahead of the boat, we have a boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Just around the corner, we've got Trader Sam's Gift Shop. Trader Sam's Gift Shop? Huh. Well, I suppose that does make sense when you believe it that some people just leave strollers full of stuff out in the walkways all day long. Crazy, right? And now, folks, we're making the most dangerous turn of our journey. That is the return to civilization. You just survived the world-famous jungle cruise. Give yourselves a round of applause. I appreciate your pity. Now, folks, as we approach dock, make sure to stay seated, keeping those hands and arms inside the boat, away from the sides. Now, you have been an absolutely outstanding crew here in my boat. And in just a moment, I'm going to need you outstanding on that dock. And outstanding somewhere else. Now, folks, if you thought today's cruise was a little strange, maybe even a little unusual, look across the street. That's a little bizarre. Oh, that was rude. Please.
Right this way, folks. Right this way.